guys, welcome back to my channel for another CVS deals video, and happy Easter to everyone that is celebrating Easter. And if you do not celebrate, I wish you a wonderful week. Thank you all for joining me once again, and if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Scott paper products. Pick up the Scott paper towel on sale for $10.49 and 1 Scott bar tissue on sale for $10.49. These two will total $20.98. We have a $1 digital coupon for the paper towel and a $1 digital coupon for the bag tissue. That will take off $2 and drop it down to $18.98 and you get 5 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. If you don't want the 12-roll bag tissue, you can pick up the Comfort Plus. The $1 coupon is also attaching to it. My next deal is on 128 or 150 ounce Purex detergent. They are on sale for $9.99 and when you buy one, you get $4 back. Pick up one, pay $9.99 and get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $3.99. Kleenex tissue are on sale for 2 for $4 and when you buy 2, you get $1 back. Pick up 2 boxes, pay $4 and get $1 back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have is on 20 ounce Palmolive or 28 ounce Ajax dish soap. They're on sale for $2.99 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 Palmolive for a total of $5.98. I printed out these 2 75-cent coupon from palmolive.com, but when I tried to check out, it's scanned, but it says there is no item that is attaching to it. So I wasn't able to do this deal. But if it works for you, this will be your breakdown. The 2 75 coupons will take off $1.50 and you pay just $4.48 and you get 2 back, making them just $2.48 or $1.24 each. Without the coupons, pay $5.98 and get $2 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is on Pampers Swaddlers. They're on sale for $9.99 and they are part of buy 2 get $5 back. Pick up 2 and both will total $19.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $16.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $11.98 or $5.99 each. Select Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Optic White Stain Fighter on sale for $3.99 and the 2 will total $7.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $4.98 and you get 4 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Crest toothpaste. Both will total $9.98. Use a 3 off 2 Crest digital coupon and you pay $6.98 and get 4 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 5 back and Centrum is part of this deal. Pick up the Centrum Women priced at $15.49. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.49 and you get 5 back, making it just $7.49. And if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal to make it cheaper. The next deal I have is on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $2.99 and when you buy one, you get $1 back. Pick up 1 Lucky Charms. Use a $1 off Pili coupon if you have it and you will pay just $1.99 and get $1 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back and that will make this box just 49 cents only. The next deal I have is normally spend 25 get 10 back, but this week is spend 25 get 5 back. So if this is a product you like, you can pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel priced at $25.99. We have a $5 digital coupon. And if you have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT, you can use it with this deal. The coupon and the CRT will take off $10 and you pay $15.99 and get 5 back, making it just $10.99. The first makeup deal I have in this video is spend 12 get $4 back on any Almay cosmetics or makeup remover. A good item to pick up for this deal will be the concealer priced at $11.99. That's within the 98% rule for spend 12. We have a $4 off Almay extra care coupon that will drop it down to $7.99 and you get 4 back, making it just $3.99. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any Maybelline cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline baby lips priced at $5.29 each. And these two will total $10.58. Use the $3 off extra care coupon to drop it down to $7.58 and you get 5 back, making them just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics and you can pick up the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $6.29 each and they will total $12.58. You can keep this deal all digital if you don't have paper coupon. We have a $3 off extra care coupon and we have another $3 off digital coupon. These two will take off 6 and drop it down to $6.58 and you get 5 back. And that will make these two eye pencils just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Revlon cosmetics or beauty tools. Pick up 2 Revlon Kiss Balms priced at $6.79 each and they will total $13.58. Use a $4 off Revlon extra care coupon and this coupon is the same coupon that applies to the Almay deal I mentioned earlier on, so you have to pick which one you want to do. After the $4 come off, you will pay $9.58 and get 5 back, making them just $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back and the Dove 5-ounce bar soap in this deal. Pick up 2 bar soaps priced at $5.99 each and they will total $11.98. Use a $2 off Dove digital coupon to drop it down to $9.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Iris Spring body wash or soft soap body wash. Pick up the Iris Spring priced at $7.49 and 1 soft soap priced at $6.59. These two will total $14.08. Check your app because we have a $2 coupon for the Iris Spring and we have another $2 coupon for the soft soap. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $10.08 and you get 4 back, making them just $6.08 or $3.04 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video is not giving back any extra care box and that's on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. They on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up 2. Check your app because everybody received a 2 off 2 CRT and we have a 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis digital coupon. The CRT and the coupon will take off 5, dropping it down to 3 and that will make each one just $1.50. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on any Suave hair care and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 Suave Essentials priced at $3.19 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.60. These two will total $4.79. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $2.79 or $1.40 each. My next deal is spend 20 get 10 back on Nivea hand and body lotion or men shaved products. Pick up 2 Nivea body lotions priced at $10.29 each. These 2 lotions will total $20.58. Pay that and get 10 back, making them just $10.58 or $5.29 each. My next deal is on Chic or Skintimate disposable razors. They on sale for 2 for $14 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2, use the $3 off digital coupon to drop it down to $11 and you get 4 back, making them just $7 for both or $3.50 each. Gillette or Venus disposable razors are on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 Gillette disposable razor and 1 Venus disposable razor. Both will total $13.98. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. This week, instead of the spend 30 get 10 back, we have the spend 20 get $4 back. It's not the best deal, but if you need these products, at least you're saving something. Pick up 1 Dundee soap on sale for $5.99 and one Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. These two will total $20.98. Use a $3 off Tide digital coupon to drop it down to $17.98 and you get 4 back, making them just $13.98 or $6.99 each. The last item I have in this video is the Bona Multi-Surface Premium Sweep and Clean Mop. It's not giving back any extra care box. It's priced at $19.99 and you can use a percentage of CRT to buy this item, and inside it you can find a $5 coupon to use for your next purchase. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.